The issue of number 5 doesn't seem like it's going to end anytime soon. And one of the reasons that is adding to this, ukuthi kune misconception or misunderstanding ukuthi what was the real reason for number 5. As we saw, we table when they had a meeting, ukuthi when people were stating their reason, their thinking reason for number 5, we realized ukuthi hayibo umuntu nomuntu une different understanding ukuthi why was there a reason for number 5. And Macele felt like, you know what, let me clear the air, because I feel that most of you feel like I am the reason that pushed Selego to have a number 5. Welcome to Cushion News, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and let's deep in this real quick. Well, Mangwabe is like, yes, I'm gonna chip in into this. I'm gonna get in to say, yeah, vele kukanjalo singasho ukuthi wena Macele, because umthombeni ukubeka kube sobala ukuthi akekho umuntu omkhulu ngaphezu kwakho, akekho umuntu amhlonipha ngaphezu kwakho, and to give that, or ukuthi like to prove that, to reference that, sizokhombisa like the videos before which has happened ukuthi uMacele basically if athi there's not going to be number 5, Umthombeni is not going to have a number 5, but there is a number 5 because uMacele agreed to number 5. So however the wives feel, it doesn't matter anymore ngoba uMacele usevumile. Now, this is putting them in a position yokuthi they know very well ukuthi okay, we are nothing, we are not equal. I know some people might say, of course, that's how it should be. I mean, she's the first wife. While some people might say, Aibo, but are they all not married to the same man? You know, so it's just depends how you view it, really. But here, siyabona ukuthi vele all the 4 wives are not really happy about Indaba number 5, but only uMacele was happy about Indaba number 5, and we have a number 5 today. So Umthombeni uthi, no, I am respecting uMacele, and angekho umuntu angeke uMacele amphula umoya, or uMacele angeke angamhloniphi, because uyazi vele ukuthi uMacele naye he did the same thing again. Yabo, and ukshilo lokho phambi kwabo, of which by rights, yeah, he did the same thing with Macele. So basically, why are these other wives not accepting number 5 when bona themselves Macele had to accept them? That is really also important. Yabo, we understand ukuthi also each wife have a different reason of why they're not accepting the 5th wife, but at the same time, it doesn't matter. Indoda yesembu, the first wife accepted, so kumele nabo bayazi ukuthi what are they there for. They know very well. So uMacele washo vele ukuthi no, yazini mina if you want to take number 5, I don't care. I don't mind. But laba abanye abafazi or the wives, they feel kind of threatened ukuthi shuthi bona whatever they say or whatever they have to contribute towards Indaba number 5, it doesn't matter, because after all ababalekile as uMacele. That is the picture that they are getting here. So they don't have to say anything, even though they feel the type of way that they feel. Well, some people call uMacele as Ugok Flow, because if she says no, it's going to be a no. Supposedly tables were 10 and uMacele had said no to Indaba number 5. I don't think number 5 is over corner. Yeah, I do understand though in loyalty and honesty umusa anayo for uMacele. uMacele, that's what keeps her in the position I feel like, because you know what, even if I'm not part of this, but uyazi ukuthi her say is what is going to go. To the point that uMacele is being accused of paying ilobola for uMakwela. Accused, yeah, because uMacele is saying she's not aware of this. Why it might have been a pillow talk. You're gonna do this or not, because uMangwabe has just laid it out on the table ukuthi uMthombeni ngambuza ukuthi how le ndaba yelobola, because when ubugula wena usesibhedlela kwenzeke kanjani, wasesesho uMthombeni ukuthi no, uMacele okhokha ilobola. It's not mina engikhokha ilobola because yena ubekule sesibhedlela, so uMacele wenze yonke leyo nto leyo. Uthi uMacele, hawu Nkosi yami, hawu Mthombeni, wathi usungiqambela amanga kangaka. I think also there's that, comfortability between uMusa with uMacele. Uhlezi nje azi ukuthi, uMacele, anytime I can use her ukuthi ngi-back up my lies, I can use it because, Sweet Guluva Love, uhlezi ekho, she can have my back. So he find it easy to lie again, which is what also we have seen has been kind of like destroying this polygamous marriage. It is because of the foundation, the lies. What he tells this wife is definitely going to be different from what he tells the other wife, from what he tells the other wife, from what he tells the other wife. I mean, what's wrong in saying I paid for it? I know though, because also his wife, if maybe he had said that, his wife's not gonna throw it back to him to say, you know what, Aibo, that means when Augul, you have energy to pay for ilobola, all of that. Augul, so why should we bother ourselves with? But then this is a fundamental of this polygamous marriage that we see. Selego is just very dysfunctional, and we only have to blame the husband, the person who said he wanted this polygamy thing, and of which sometimes if you also talk like Uma Khumalo Ekuluma, he will also play it over, turn it around and say, do you want to be a man in this relationship, or do you want to be a man in this marriage? So that is it. But how he's been ruling and his leadership skills are really, really questionable, as we see. Even Nomangwabe ekugcineni uyasho ukuthi anyway, no matter what you say, you're never gonna find the truth, because iqiniso nje usho lokhu, omunye usho lokhu, omunye asho lokhu, omunye asho lokhu, and uMusa Mseleku uyashintsha. He's got this skill of lying, lie after lie, lie after lie, and lie after lie. Anyway, guys, Mseleku household is still gonna go down, and thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.